To break down. Idiom. Imagine you are driving a car and suddenly it stops working. This situation captures one of the meanings of the idiom to break down, which can mean a machine or vehicle stops functioning. But to break down has other meanings too. Let's explore them. Mechanical failure when a machine or vehicle stops working. Emotional collapse when someone becomes very upset and starts crying. Decompose when something breaks into smaller parts. Examples: mechanical failure. Our car broke down on the highway and we had to call for help. Emotional collapse. She broke down in tears after hearing the sad news. Decompose. Over time, the leaves will break down and become part of the soil. Hope it helped to understand this idiom. Grateful for your time today. Catch you soon.